In 1970, positioned at the corner of Homestead and Aboit Center Road, Homestead High School opened its doors to 600 students. As the community has grown, so has the high school. And after years of add-ons and expansions, the Homestead High School Additions and Renovations project began in 2020. The $169 million four-year project is in full swing. While progress is evident as you drive past campus, we'd like to take this opportunity to explain what you're seeing and the future plans for some of the structures that are taking shape. From the west side of campus, or just behind the current 9th grade academy, and just north of the Spartan Stadium, is a new building, the Citadel. This multi-purpose building will be home to Homestead's alternative high school, Impact, as well as our district's health clinic for employees and their families. The Citadel, also known as a cleat sports building, includes a locker room and space for football, soccer, track, and other outdoor athletics. Just outside the building is a new entrance to the stadium and ticket booth. The new entry also provides easy access to the new Spartan Spirit store for all of your Spartan merchandise. The Citadel is anticipated to be completed by the spring of 2022. Moving east from the Citadel, you'll see another large addition. Serving as the students' new main entrance to the high school, the area outside the addition will be the new bus loading zone, designed to be convenient, accessible, and safe for our student riders. Just inside the doors, the Spartan Fitness Center will relocate to this area. And Homestead's nationally ranked TV and radio station will operate and broadcast from here. Sitting just south of the new student entrance is the new competition gym. When completed, the new gymnasium will welcome up to 3,000 fans. Guests will enjoy the natural light from the frosted window system, and patrons will have no difficulty seeing the score of the game on the center suspended scoreboard. Moving to the east of campus, work on the two new auxiliary gyms is underway, and so is the new fine arts wing. In addition to seeing the property that will soon become new band, dance, and choir rooms, the new 1,000-person grand hall is beginning to take shape. Inside the new space, work on the room's balcony, as well as the stage, is ongoing. Roofing the new facility will start soon. This area will serve not only as an entrance to the new auditorium, it will also be the main entrance for all guests and visitors to Homestead High School. And for the last stop on our tour, we're pleased to share with you the new ball fields. Both varsity softball and baseball fields are finished. The new fields, dugouts, batting cages, grandstands, press boxes, and concession areas will be ready for the first pitch in the spring sports season. It's an exciting time at Saks, especially in and around Homestead High School's campus. As the construction continues, keep watching for further progress updates.